So today we are going to unbox one pair of CNC billet blah 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 mirrors. Amazon says they are made by the brand Azio or A-Z-I-O, I think. Anzio? I don't know. So we will see how this thing is packaged and then put it on the bike. All right. So this is interesting. No box really, just a piece of styrofoam and the mirrors. Looks like they're already put together. Looks like it articulates that way. There's an included Allen wrench here. One of the reasons I got it was because I thought it would work okay on the KTM, because the KTM has bar end weights on it that are similar looking to this. So we'll see if this will thread right into that or not. So it looks like it has fairly well machined parts and doesn't look like it'll break too easily. There we have the mirror, kind of taken apart on this one. And then on the KTM it blocks off where this would attach, so I have to take this off. Something I missed was that there's a break here and you can adjust it in and out like that. So you do get the full articulation side to side and up and down. So we'll go put it on the bike. Okay, so these have the inserts for bars that are just tubes, but the bars that I'm going to be putting these on have plugs in them that are threaded. So the nice things about these is that they'll work with either one. So you take a 5mm, which comes with the kit, you unscrew this, and this here should just come out. There we go. So we have a little spacer now, because this is a little bit inset here, as you can see. So this will fill the gap into the bar up to where it stops. You'll see when I get the end off there. So this is pretty much ready to go. I turned this around so that it points this way, because it'll be better to have a flat surface going onto the bar there. One other thing on the throttle side, at least on my bar ends, it will put it too close to the grip, so the grip will bind up against that. So if you just add a washer or a spacer or whatever, just to get it away from there a little bit, that'll help. Okay, let's go to the bike. Same 5mm on here. Your bike may be a little bit different. And yeah. So as you can see there, this is inset a little bit from the end, but it is threaded. And now we just need to take this here, and the bolts that come with it are the exact same threads. So that's nice. Yeah. Get that about where we want it. Tighten that down. So now we have There we go. That is that. Again, you know, putting that washer in there, because if we put that in there, that will jam up against there just a little bit. So that's nice and snug, and make sure your throttle doesn't bind. That would be not so good. Okay, now we just need to remove the stock ones. There we have it. Nice clean looking bike.